For your fire alarm installation, you'll need as-built and record drawings. These are the documents that show how to install the system and how the components will work together. Unlike engineer drawn layout designs, as-built drawings should be reproducible. The drawings should also show how the components are to be operated, as well as the sequence of their operation. These are important for your safety and the safety of your property. The fire alarm key should include all equipment, including remote indicators and short-circuit isolators. It should also show the route of aspirating pipework and sampling points. It's important to follow all regulations as closely as possible, but it's also important to make sure the layout is clear. The key should also have a description of the components installed, as well as their locations. It should also have a note on the installation of the components. An as-built drawing should have all of the necessary components listed, including location and labeling. The symbols on the fire alarm system should be different and have a legend. There should be a name for each element, such as a key, loop or loop, and an indication of the circuit name. If the fire alarm system is new, it should have as-built drawings that are able to be inspected by local authorities and passed by the UL. A fire alarm system can be installed in different ways. For instance, you can install a strobe unit, a sounder, or a visual indicating device. These devices are essential to provide warning in the event of an emergency. Besides meeting NFPA standards, you also need to consider the ADA. If you are installing a fire alarm for the first time, you should seek the help of a trained partner to install it properly. Your partner should be capable of both installation and testing, which is crucial for your safety and your family's health. A fire alarm system needs to be installed properly. A properly installed fire alarm system must meet all requirements set by the NEC. A qualified partner will have the necessary experience and expertise to install the systems and provide timely quotes, CAD drawings, and complete submittal packages. If you are hiring an electrical contractor, make sure they are trained in fire safety. This will ensure that your project goes smoothly and save you money in the long run. A fire alarm system is vital for your safety. It's important to understand the requirements of your fire alarm system. It should also be compatible with the rest of your building. Its layout must match with the National Fire Code. The design should fit within the existing structure and be compatible with the existing wiring. Your installation plan should also be based on these specific requirements. There's no need to be scared to ask for help. You'll find a qualified professional in your area. If you are not an engineer, an experienced contractor will do the installation for you. Using a fire alarm system can be a rewarding experience. With the proper planning, your project will be successful. And as a result, you'll be able to maximize its benefits. A fire alarm system is an investment in your business. It should not only protect your employees and clients, but also your bottom line. So, don't forget to hire an expert to install a fire alarm for you. It can be very beneficial. Having a fire alarm system that's compatible with the environment and operational needs of your business is vital. If you don't have this information, you need to consult a professional. A professional company will be able to help you choose the right system for your needs. It will also provide you with maintenance and service for your fire alarm. They will also help you determine the best way to protect your business. A professional will be able to advise you on the exact requirements of the installation. Creating a fire alarm system installation drawing is crucial for your safety. It will ensure the safety of your building by ensuring that the entire system works properly. The best fire alarms will be compatible with all types of buildings. Regardless of where you live, you should find a fire alarm system that matches your requirements. There are numerous benefits of having this type of installation drawing. It will help you install a fire alarm system without any hassles.